Today we talk about how can you disable messages notifications on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on notifications, you click on it. Then it's going to take us to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go above account, click on it. When you click here on account, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on messages, click on edit. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. In here you disable it for email, then here for notifications, then here for SMS. Then like you say, messages notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.